kamatis, sibuyas, bawang, luya, miso, mustasa, sili, isda, bangus, salt, panigang powder, water, and oil. Turn on your stove. And let's put the oil. Yeah! This is Ace oil from pork. Painitin lang natin ang mantika dahil magluluto tayo ng isda. Ilalagay na natin ang isda. Dandahan lang mainit. Hintayin lang natin ng kaunti. Now let's click. Now, when the fish is done, mag-isa naman tayo. Siyempre naman. That's yours. Let's start with cooking oil. Yeah! Dahin natin ang luya. Okay, nagulat ako. And then, galit yung onion. And then, kamatis. Ilagay na natin din ang miso. Smash it. Just mag-ingat tayo, please. Kasi remember, it's hot. Now, let's put some water. Stir. Pakuliin lang, tapos timpla na natin. Let's put the radish para kasabay na maluto. Now, let's put salt and sinigang powder. Mix. Let's put the mustasa. Stir. It's done. O kung hindi mo kasi gusto ito, press ka na lang. Off the stove. Isaling na natin. Pero it's hot. Nanay will help me. Thank you, Nanay. This is my sinigang sa miso. Hi guys! Ready na akong kumain. Pero always remember it's hot. Kumain na tayo. Remember, pag hindi nyo kaya, tumawag kayo ng adults para tulungan kayo.
Need my help?
Yeah, I need my help.
Yeah, see?
Ow! Okay. Yes, ouch. Let's get some sabaw. This is all for today, guys. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching Bella's Kitchen. See you again next time. Bye-bye.
Oh, very good.
See you, bye-bye.